Hello everybody, today in front of me I have CHUWI HiPad X tablet, and in this video we are going to demonstrate how you can enable and manage the keyboard clipboard on this device. First of all, you want to call out for the keyboard basically anywhere. I'll use this Google search bar for it. Once the keyboard has been brought up, you want to look for this very icon that stands for the clipboard itself, then tap on it. Now all we gotta do in order for the clipboard to be activated is to turn on clipboard blue button. Next, once the clipboard has been successfully activated, if you want to remove some of its elements, you gotta tap on this pencil, choose what elements you would like to get rid of, for example these two elements, and then tap on the trash bin, and as you can see they have been successfully erased. In order to add any element to the clipboard, you gotta simply copy it. So let's say I want to type in the word core. Then I'll just go ahead, select it, copy, and if I will get back to the clipboard, I'll see the fact that the recent section of it has been successfully added the car element to it. And from here I can just tap on any clipboard element I have and it will be pasted successfully. Alright, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye!